So it's like, if I was a duck in a lake of beer, I'd swim my way down and drink my way up. But I'm not a duck in, what, you know, but I'm not, I can't, but you know, some, let's get fucked up. There you go, darts.
Oh, we're starting?
Go,
Fuck,
you think, go, run!
Ah, 450?
You think Gordon Ramsay got anywhere?
Okay.
Being slow?
450 degrees. Okay, it's on. A large? Oh.
About
Dollars. Use your camera.
That's candles that we never used. How large is large? Define large. To me, that's the largest. So.
I didn't take the chicken out. Oh, no.
Bro. Alright, so switch things up. How quickly can we order Domino's?
Fucking up. Okay, take the chicken out.
The frozen chicken?
It's fine. It's literally fine. I don't know what you're worried about.
I'm about to do a lot of shots before the chicken's been called.
Why is it always together? Cream, cheese. God, chicken is literally next. Okay, do you want to do soup first then?
Soup? What kind of soup? What?
Yeah, I thought we were going to do soup.
Soup.
Probably tender. Okay, yeah, let's just.
See? I'm telling you. You what?
Everyone drink!
There's no point.
It's crazy!
It's been a little.
Would have never guessed. You're using a chaser?
Yeah, it's just Fireball. I know it's a Fireball, but guess what? I'm a smart lad when it comes to drinking.
Fuck me. Start. Okay. Ah!
No,
Bug!
Yeah, ignore that.
What bug? What? No bug.
Look, okay, we're in a low-income house, all right? Sue us.
Extra protein, you know?
Let me know it doesn't actually get in our food. It doesn't get in our food the part we consume.
I don't let it get that close.
Let me, well, it's bagels. I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, because someone left it open.
I never opened them. I was too scared to eat them.
I didn't fucking open it.
We got a squatter.
The little thing was off of, like...
Yeah, I saw it, yeah. Bruh.
1 tablespoon. I ain't doing it. I'm not... In this house, we don't measure.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Mate, look.
We just say, that's good enough.
Oh. Hey, 1 tablespoon.
No, ain't no fucking tablespoon.
You gotta measure, bro.
Look at that tablespoon.
Those are measure shit.
I never measure, and my food comes out great.
You know who does measure? Gordon Ramsay.
Bitch, no, you don't.
Yes, you do.
He does that for everybody else's thing. And to make recipes, you have to do it for yourself. So that you're supposed to take the fault. Not in this household. After it said a certain amount of salt, and then I made it, and I wanted to fucking die because it was too salty. Never. I sharpened that one a little while ago. Give me the fucking knife.
No, that to me for cutting. That one's like more for chef. That's a chef's knife. That's all I'm saying. Chef.
You just remember who makes you dinner.
Burger King.
I don't understand.
You're peeling the layer off.
Shut up, bitch. Like you know how to fucking peel.
Isn't that a layer?
Overs layers.
I've skimmed one before.
Want to get a good shot.
Dumb liberal. It's time for your alcohol.
I can't touch it. Spin the wheel. You drink. Wow. I guess it's just me though.
No.
So I guess we both have to spin it. You spin it. That's what I got. I thought it said gay, and I'm like, okay.
I swear to God, anyone who refers to Sky as person and put both hands in the air and goes drink the vodka. Oh, I got it.
We're playing back.
I got it. We can't play it back. We can't start recording.
I mean, I can.
Yeah, we got some recording.
I can though.
I know I got it. I know for a fact I got it first. I know for a fact
I wasn't.
got it first.
You trying to get me fucked up?
Reach for the sky. Blood's looking alien.
You trying to get me fucked up?
That was funny.
That's a good idea. I like that.
The moment I saw the words "reach for the sky," I was like, "Fuck!" I at least gotta like add some dialogue to this.
Fuck! I can do another one.
I mean,
Oh my god.
I just doesn't know.
It's just fuck me. I get it.
It's just racing.
It's just bend me over, straight cactus still under the ass. No lube. I need to turn It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot.
See, I can't even make demonetization jokes. I can't even say the word.
Demonetization.
I can't say it. Demonetization jokes because who the fuck's gonna see this? Let's be honest. 5 people. I see you can't do this. Oh, shit, timer now.
But I didn't start yet.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm. Fuck. That's hot. All right, go grab it.
Go
Get a
grab
good close up. Look at these knife skills. Oh yeah. Totally not drunk. Cutting an onion. You ready for? Yeah, you ready for this shit? Wait, yeah.
Faster.
No. Oh yeah. Cutting an onion. I'm not ready.
Oh wait. Oh, we don't have a nice POV, bro. It's like you do it in back shot.
I am chef.
Oh!
I am chef.
Please be careful.
I am being careful. This is me being careful. You just never watch it. Other half to go. It smells so good, bro. I think I'm just hungry.
Listen, I have my own background cooking. I want you to know that. I used to have my mom cook all the time. She go to Dakota stores. I go, yes, ma'am.
Wow. Then I guess you
I'm a cook.
could be our stir.
You call it sous chef.
Well, that's not true. Ha ha. So funny.
I'm hilarious. My grades reflect this.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck.
It's back to bone time.
Well, the camera turned off. However, we're more drunk and
More progress.
more yes,
Yes.
and more progress. Put the chicken stock.
Oh shit, timer. Fuck.
Chicken. Wait, we put the chicken stock in here. I cut the broccoli.
We took like, what, 4 shots each?
Something like that. Anyway,
There
got the broccoli here. I chopped that shit up.
Louder. Emphasize.
Lighter.
Louder.
Oh,
Louder.
that can fucking hear me.
Subtitles.
I didn't drink for that, don't I?
Do what? Oh, that you
For yours?
Oh, for context.
Oh, yeah.
So we spun the wheel. It said new rule mode. So I had to make a new rule, and whoever cussed within the 5 minutes had to take a drink. And this beautiful soul, being the sailor they are,
Yeah.
fucking dropped the F-bomb within like
I was
a minute
close.
and a half.
I was close. And then it slipped.
Slipped.
No, literally, I was like, you freaking fuck. And I was like, oh, well.
What's crazy is you
There
started
goes that.
drinking, so you were there. And then you went,
Exactly, that's what I'm
fuck it.
saying. I'm like, I was close. And then shit happened.
Shit happened.
The spinner is now the thumb master. At any one time during the game, the thumb master may discreetly put their thumb on the table Everyone must put their thumb on the table. Let's put their thumb on the table. Drinks. Stupid.
My thumb's on the table. You know it is. No,
You're drinking.
Since I'm master, I'm
You're
drinking.
drinking.
I will. But I'm always
You're
chill.
drinking.
I'm always chill. My thumb is always on the
You're
table.
drinking.
Making this time.
At that point, then it has to be your other hand. And definitely fucking
No, I do both.
No.
Ah, fuck!
That's what you get.
Ow. That's abuse. Getting abused.
Are you gonna drink it or are you gonna spill it?
I put too much
Huh?
into it. Oh, there we go. That makes face. Fuck me. Oh boy, Jai Raja, here go man, yeah?
Broccoli. Wait, you started the timer, right?
No, here with it. Ah, there we go. Fine. Alright, go.
Broccoli going in.
Right, we go mean. Concentrated. He's quiet. He's focused. Dialed in.
No, I'm thinking about the spices I need to put in this shit. To be honest.
White people, am I right?
Spices? Okay. Paprika? That's actually all that's on there. I'm not
You're
gonna lie.
fucking kidding me.
I'm putting more than that.
Alright, so we're putting in. What do you say? It's broccoli. So we're doing bay leaves. Put some bay leaves.
Salt in there, dude.
Fentanyl seed. Yeah, let's put some fucking mint. Yeah, fuck yeah. Sorry, so then add the leaves, not the bay leaves.
Fucking pretty Rico.
See, I know seasoning. I know how it works.
That's exactly how it's supposed to be, apparently. According to white people.
Man, I hate white people.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that's just
Man.
making sense.
Colonization, whack.
Like, I'll add this whole thing if I have
No!
to. Why are you acting...
Damn.
Someone doesn't know how to cook.
I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. Damn.
Sorry.
Damn.
I sneeze.
Fuck.
Don't know if you noticed.
I fucked the ground chick on that one.
I think it's the pepper. That's not a sneeze.
Technically, it is a sneeze. Technically.
Not a sneeze.
Ever done the burp snort? Good fucking thing you put that back on there. Because imagine just leave it on there and let it all overflow.
Did we not? Did you say
We're too good, right? We're too good. Oh, fuck. My apologies.
what the fuck are you doing?
It's fine. Categories. What's categories?
64?
The spinach is a category. The circle must say something falling under the category. Whoever states for a piece of something that has already been said must drink.
Category 64 is what it is. You don't remember how to play that?
No, it's I literally pick a category and then we have to go.
Category?
Never played it. Never played it. Fuck's category two. This is white.
No, it's really not.
2,000 years later.
Fireman.
Ghost Rider.
Thanos.
Close. That's good. Captain America.
Groot.
Yes. Cloak and Dagger. Cloak and Dagger. Cloak and Dagger. Cloak
You
and Dagger.
hesitated.
I know, I
You're
know.
done.
I had it in my
You're
head.
done.
I had it in my
You're
head.
done.
I know,
You're done.
but I had it in my head. Cloak and Dagger.
You're done. You gotta drink.
I know.
Want to drink?
No.
Do I?
No.
Wait, what I have? Did I have anything?
I don't fucking know because it's done in one category.
Had, what? I don't
Like you drew something. No, guys drink. You drew guys drink.
So I drink anyway.
Yeah. Because honestly, I don't think you would have got past like Wolverine. I would have said Punisher, and you would have like been fucking done. It's 1 a.m. We just made the soup. I got girls drink. We're gonna do that. Alright, right. I got my answer. Alright, 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3. Fuck! Oh! Anyways, I was never good. Whoever cursed first drinks. I'm going to Catholic mode.
And let me see what you have. No!
You won't like me in Catholic mode. See, Levi is silent at a fair. I'm swearing.
A little bit.
See, that's cheating. No, no, it's okay. I'm drunk.
I don't give a fuck. I drink more than you.
Yeah, you said it. You said yes. And right, you had like 10
Asshole.
seconds. You had 10 seconds too.
Fucking asshole. Oh, I'm drunk. 2.5, you know. You don't get it.
You said it. Yes. What the fuck, bro? You've legit got broccoli in your hair.
Whatever. What you?
You've got fucking broccoli in your hair.
How they can fucking get there?
I don't know.
I'm blaming you.
Whatever.
It's your fault. It's your fault.
Where you going? Where you going?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Hurry! Hurry!
My sock just fall off.
How?
I don't know.
Every time somebody drinks, the sock falls off. Folks, we're not making it all the way. It's going to cut Inglis's eating. We are not going to make it the full way of showing you how we cook this shit. It's going to cut. It will be eating this shit because we can't do this, dog.
My sock fell off.
I lost my shoe.
We're supposed to be cooking.
Wait.
We're supposed to be cooking.
Wait. So fucking drunk, dog.
Well, you're not doing it right. You don't. My sock!
Bro, dude, this is utterly fucked. This is. How do you?
I have no socks anymore. Anyways, the broccoli.
Why on the floor?
What the fuck?
Alright. Lock in.
I'm locking in.
We got like 4.5 minutes. Lock in.
Large bowl.
Got it.
Cream cheese. Greek yogurt. Buffalo sauce.
Okay. Cream cheese. Alright.
Hang on, I'll tell you the measurements in a second. Cream cheese. A little bit.
A little bit? Dead ass. It's a little bit.
That's what I'm saying.
Dead ass.
That's what.
Fuck it. Alright, here. Here's a little bit.
Hang on.
Here's a little bit.
Hang on. But there's.
Here's a little bit. Fuck it. That's a little bit, right? Right?
There's no. Oh fuck. Anyway.
Okay. I thought it went out.
There's fucking. My favorite buffalo sauce is to use whatever the fuck. Or Frank's buffalo wing sauce.
Fuck Frank's.
If you like an extra spicy buffalo sauce, I recommend using Frank's buffalo sauce.
Fuck
Add
Frank's.
extra buffalo sauce.
Fuck Frank's.
That's all it says.
Fuck Frank's.
That's all it
Fuck
says.
Frank's. Fuck Frank's. Fuck you,
That's all
Frank's.
it says.
Anyways, how much yogurt?
It doesn't say.
Fuck it.
Just put all of it in there.
1 cup of yogurt.
Put it
One
in
cup.
there. No. Go ahead.
Oh my god, it fucking worked. It fucking worked. Look at that, a fucking clear bowl of yogurt. It worked. Fuck you, science.
Yes, science!
Buffalo sauce.
Anyways, buffalo sauce.
You wrong for that. You wrong for that. You're my fucking head. Grab buffalo. Buffalo.
Ready?
For any more than that.
Church.
Grab it.
Ready? Oh wait, the film. The fucking film. The fucking film. We're not measuring shit anymore. We are too fucked up.
We don't measure in this household. Ranch. Give me some fucking mayonnaise.
Yeah, mix that shit. Yeah, mix it.
God damn it! We drink.
We drink?
Yes.
Bro, you're fucked.
Sorry, I was slipping. Anyways.
How are you slipping? You have the fucking grippers.
I don't know.
on.
Don't
You have
ask
the grippers
questions.
on. You have the grippers.
Don't
on.
ask questions.
Right there.
Oh,
Categories.
fucking hell.
Oh yeah! Watch the pot.
Categories. 64.
Fuck.
No repeats. Or hesitation. You go first. I go last.
DC.
Diving.
Oh fuck! No, you're good. You're good. You're good. And then you get the
Okay,
rest.
okay.
Mothman.
Superman.
Batman.
Robin.
Clayface.
I don't know. Green Arrow.
Nope, you lost.
No.
Yes, DC for the win. Point 10. I can't drive.